Time flies like a thief in the night. We all got a story to write. So darling, jump in the ride. Before the train is gone, let's take a ride. Look in your eyes. Don't make them tell you lie. I'm on your side.
Morning. I am Mrs. Grace M.A.C. I'm a retired civil servant. Initially, you may not like it. You may not even like it. But with time, you will know that you can also have fun while getting old. Physically, some illness will be propping up their heads, something you have not even known before. You started noticing that you wake up with pain in your hips, in your legs, and pains all over the body. And you start wondering, where are all these pains coming from? You should be getting prepared for eternity. But does not mean that you will die immediately. So you will also help yourself to make sure that you are not lonely. You are not having regrets. You exercise. You can trek. If you are going to church, you can trek to your church and trek back. You should not allow yourself to be taken unawares, because it will just come. You start wondering. So, you have to prepare for it.
Prepare for what?
For that old age. Because if you are taken unawares, the person will suffer so much. It can even lead to untimely death. Some people will just start planning as soon as they retire with their retirement benefit. In the end, they will not be able to finish that project, and they will not have any money at hand. So they will just be like that. So it's good to plan, check what you plan, and start planning before that retirement stage. The advice I have for them is that they should be exercising. They should eat well. Eat those foods that will give them like omega-3 vitamin, something that will give them vitamin C. If possible, they can be taking omega-3, which is fish oil. It's good, and they should make sure that they do not fall. They should make sure. In fact, my mother, that is what that even killed her. She fell from the chair. We did not know where the bone got broken. We have to take her to the hospital. They noticed that it was at the hips, and it was very difficult to manage. Operating her was not even easy because we were very scared whether she will recover. So it is very important that old people should not fall. They should not fall. They should eat good food. They should have enough rest. Should have enough rest. And when they start noticing bumps and maybe wrinkles or smiling on their faces, they should not be scared. It is part of the aging or old age. They should take the right food. They can browse and get the type of food they should eat. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the time.